And I go, I like this guy. He's good here, he's good here, he's good here. Okay, we can work with this foundation. We just tweak a few things. But no, you want to carry somebody, even you want to carry somebody from the village. I needed to finish that line of thought. You want to carry somebody from the village and come and change her in the city. Even girls in the village, they are more corrupt and spoiled than the ones in the city. You are telling me you not see somebody's nakedness. I just asked you a simple question. No need to fight. Has a guy touched your breast before? For most of us, the answer is yes. You as a guy, have you touched a girl's breast before? Yes. Some of you, what's it called? Have you given heads before? Whether blowjob or... There's this name my friend taught me years ago, fellatio. Go and check the meaning of fellatio. Have you done fellatio before? Yes. Some of you won't know how to... Don't think I will pamper you by saying you touch yourself. You won't know how to finger yourself until you orgasm. There's a difference between orgasm and come and what's it called? Release. Orgasm is the highest form of climax. Some of you won't squat. You do it by yourself. You finger yourself by yourself. You squat. Both male and female. Okay, no, it's only female that squats. But I'm saying for me, you are coming here to ask me simple thing that will save your life. The same way you argue, must I cook for him? Is it not when I marry? Let me announce to you, in case you don't know. In this 21st century, many of us, we are prepared to divorce. Let me explain that one and end with that. I said I have 16 minutes more, thank you. So help me so that I can quickly end before it's 4 minutes left. Thank you.